Clean and refresh your ride's interior with AMSOIL Interior Detailer. Its non-streaking technology leaves no greasy residue behind, and it won't harm the surfaces in your vehicle like plastic, trim, dashes, and displays. Start by shaking the bottle well. Apply the product to all interior surfaces. Wipe away with a microfiber towel for a clean, matte appearance. Now, enjoy your vehicle's extreme interior clean.
AMSOIL products are distributed exclusively through independent dealers, people like you and me. ONESYNTHETICS special dealer links will transfer you to AMSOIL.com, where you can order securely and we get the credit for our hard work. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your AMSOIL products today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to ONESYNTHETICS.com and use the AMSOIL Shop by Vehicle tool or follow the Shop Now link. AMSOIL. Protection you demand, performance you deserve. ONESYNTHETICS.com